Welcome. If you want to customize channels in your Xiaomi Mi TV stick, at the first you have to go for the settings, then move for the device preferences. Right now we have to scroll down until we find home screen, so go for that one, and here we can customize the channels. So click. At the first we can turn off and turn on Google Play Music, Netflix, Spotify, and any other apps that you install and download from the Play Store. I will only stay with Netflix, and let's check YouTube. I would like to turn off recommended and turn on trending from the YouTube. And when we go back, we can also reorder apps. So we can switch position one of them. Click OK if you leave this one. If you want to change position of the Play Store, you have to click OK, then move for the arrows, click OK, second time to leave it. And basically that's the same for every app we have here. And I would like to stick with this one, so we can go back. And the same for the games, but currently we don't have any other. We can get more for the Play Store. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.